Hi, let's see how to fix we couldn't connect to Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll has proven to be the best streaming service for watching anime, and it's even bigger and better after merging with Funimation. The streaming service has four plans, each with the different perks. The paid subscription tiers offers features like the downloads of shows to mobile devices. However, many users have reported lag. Okay, so in this particular video, we'll see what are the causes for we couldn't connect to the Crunchyroll, and we also see like how we can fix this. Whenever you see this kind of error message, you see the screen like this. There could have been several reasons that you are getting the error message on the Crunchyroll, and we have mentioned some of the major reasons that can help you to identify what is causing you trouble. Okay, a slow or unstable internet connection is one of the reason. If your Crunchyroll account is not logged in or connected properly, then that is also one of the reason. And the third cause is there are a lot of corrupted data on the temporary files. The fourth cause is it could depend on where the world you are and you don't have a premium, because some near premium outside of the US it won't connect if it is that case. The next cause is it could be the website or the app itself is undergoing some kind of maintenance. Okay, so these could be the major reasons behind the issue. To resolve this, you need to find the right cause of it and fix it. Okay, so let's see how to fix we couldn't connect to the Crunchyroll. The first method is change the channel. The first and the foremost method you can try is to change the channel. If you are using the Crunchyroll app, then try changing the channel or the content, because the problem relates to connecting to the Crunchyroll might be limited to only specific channels and the content. Therefore, in this case, try using the different channel or the content. If the other channels are accessible, then the issue is related to the specific content or the channel. The second method is ensure a good network connection. First of all, you need to make sure that the internet is working with a good speed. All you have to do is like just try using the other apps on your device. Okay, so always make sure that you have a proper internet connection with a very good speed and with very good bandwidth. Some of the troubleshooting methods what you can try is to you can just switch off, or you can just reset your router or your modem for some time, like for some 3 to 5 minutes, then again you can switch it back on. If there is any kind of loose connection connected to the router or the modem, such as cable or the wires, just take care of it and make sure that all the wires and the cables are connected properly to your router or the modem. Okay, then finally you can wait for the signal to come back and connect to the internet through. And the third method is check the server status of the Crunchyroll. If there is any kind of server is undergoing some kind of maintenance, in that case you need to wait for some time, because the backend technical team they will be working on it to fix the particular issue. In order to check the Crunchyroll server status, you can go to the website down for everyone or justme.com/crunchyroll. Okay, so other than checking the server status, sometimes it happens a server due to certain glitch or a bug arises, and it may cause the trouble in functioning. The best way to get rid of the issue is to wait for some time. Waiting is to out always an option, and many times it happens to be preferred fix to solve the arising issue. The fourth method is restart the Crunchyroll app. This is one of the easiest method what you can try. Sometimes just restarting the app itself may clear out all the bugs and the glitches. All you need to do is to just close the Crunchyroll app and wait for a few minutes and then restart it again. Check whether the error persists or not. Okay. And the fifth method is reinstall and uninstall the Crunchyroll app. If you have proper internet connection and also restarting your device does not work for you, then in this case you can try another simple method, which is uninstalling and reinstalling the Crunchyroll app. Many times there is a bug arises in the application that could stop the app from working and continuing to show the error message. Therefore, try uninstalling, reinstalling the app, which will delete all the corrupted files and ensure the proper connectivity and the smooth functioning of the application. And the sixth method is disable the VPN or the proxy. If your virtual private network or the proxy server is active, then it may be interfere with the Crunchyroll ability to authenticate your location and lead to an error message couldn't connect to Crunchyroll. Okay, in such cases, you need to be temporarily disable your VPN or the uh, proxy server. Okay, some of the steps to disable the VPN on iOS, follow these three methods sequentially. In order to disable the VPN on your Android, follow these steps sequentially. The seventh method is clear Crunchyroll app caches. Okay, if there are any temporary files or the corrupted data, it could lead to an insufficient storage space, causing an error message to pop up in this. It is important to do regular checks on all the hardware and software to determine whether or not there are an excess of the extra storage space. In order to clear the caches on the Android, follow these steps sequentially so that it will clear all the cookies and caches stored in the particular app. If you're using a iOS, iPhone or iPad, follow these steps sequentially. And the eighth method is update the Crunchyroll app to the latest version. If you are using the older or the outdated version, make sure that you always use the latest or the updated version, whether it can be an Android or it can be an iOS. Okay, for Android, go to the Google Play and try to update it. If you are using the iPhone, go to the App Store and try to update the Crunchyroll app. And the ninth method is contact the Crunchyroll support team through the social media. If you have tried all other troubleshooting methods and if you're still facing the issue, contact the Crunchyroll support team through the social media, through their Twitter account, twitter.com/Crunchyroll. Try to follow their social media account. If there is any kind of problem arises, you can just check in their social media whether the other people are also facing the same kind of issues. Okay, so in that case, you can wait for some time, otherwise, you can contact them through the support team. Okay, so that's all about this. Thank you.